Hello, hello, you gorgeous people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. आज मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ आगरा का अपना व्लॉग। काफ़ी ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, बट व्लॉग स्टार्ट होने से पहले सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। ऑल्सो दिस इज़ फाइनली द डेस्टिनेशन। हम आगरा पहुँच चुके हैं एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द प्रॉपर्टी दैट आई एम स्टेइंग। But before that, I need to tell you, मैं आगरा I think अपनी life में second time आई हूँ. The first time I came as a baby, and now I'm pretty much an adult. So I had to see the Taj Mahal, and I came specially for that. Well, I'm staying at this five-star, which is called Grand Mercure. This comes under the Accor group, which also has brands like Novotel. This is what the property looks like. Well, of course, they gave me a very warm welcome with tikka and a welcome drink. So amazing. They had pretty much foreigners all the time staying in. This was my luxury suite room. This is how it looks. Pretty well done. Very beautifully hosted. Grand Mercure hosted me beautifully. They gave me the best room with the Taj view, of course. Look at that. That was a bad zoom, guys. This is my how my room looks when well lit. They even gave me a very beautiful, platter which said "Welcome, Miss Aurora," and so after resting for quite a bit, as it was one of the longest journeys on road that I had, I got ready and I went out for dinner straight. The first day was pretty short in my opinion because I had to straight away head for dinner. I went to their Italian restaurant. It was pretty beautifully done. Look at how stunning they have done the interiors. So gorgeous. I had the best of vegetarian food there, Italian pizza, and then we had more pasta. Bello was the name of the restaurant. Beautifully done, beautiful setup. This was my outfit. So I wore a white shirt with a corset and a skirt and my Steve Madden heels. This was my outfit. For the next morning, I woke up to a beautiful cup of coffee from the team and I loved it. This was my morning drink. Then we headed to their buffet restaurant for a nice breakfast, had my juice, some fiber, guys, is must, and their famous Agra ki badmi puri. This is their famous dish over there. This was my breakfast. Breakfast के थोड़ी देर बाद I hit the gym, worked out for a little bit. Then we began shooting in the premise. This was the brew cafe. Well, this is a cute cafe within the premise of the restaurant. Basically, it's a coffee shop, and you can see how there's a coffee roaster and little cute desserts for their guests, as they have a lot of international guests all around. So, this is what they prefer for a quick snack. And yeah, this even served, more Italian items and stuff. Well, this was what I was wearing for the shoot. I was wearing a cargo with a tube bandeau top and this blue jacket, the half denim jacket. This was so nice. I tried the food at their Italian restaurant. This was the very famous mac and cheese. Well, then post shooting and doing all the content that I needed to, I went back to the room and went for a relaxing spa at the property itself. This is what it looks like. It was so calming, something that I needed after that long travel. And well, post shoot, I went ahead for another shot in the room. I forgot to do that. This was my outfit. The denim is from Hume, the top is from H&M. Then I went ahead for dinner to their rooftop restaurant, which is called the Sky Grill. It was next to the swimming pool. What a stunning view. And I even saw this Kathputli dance, which was organized by the Grand Mercure property for us. It was so cute, and I love supporting local talent. This was the name of the restaurant called Sky Grill. Then we had a musician who was playing music throughout. He was singing songs for us, very beautiful old Hindi songs. I can't put them because of copyright issue, but I you can see how passionately the guy is singing. That was my outfit, and I was wearing a black top with a beautiful a leopard print skirt and the same heel that I was wearing, my Kate Spade bag, and a gold chain. Well, look at how pretty aesthetic the decor is. Then we shifted to the amazing food. The guy kept singing for us. So cute. Yeah, I loved it. And post now, I headed back to my room. And yeah, it was such a nice evening. I was very tired, and well, the next morning was pretty exciting. I was so happy that I'm finally visiting the Taj Mahal, and I would have headed back post this. So yeah, I was all packed up and I came, I visited the Taj. Look at how people are hopping and shooting content. This is one of the most beautiful monuments I have seen in naked eye. I'm a big fan of historic monuments. And yeah, guys, that's it for the YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful travel vlog, and I hope you had fun watching it. Please don't forget to hit that like button, comments, share, and subscribe. I'll see you very soon. Guys, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm linking everything here, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.